Welcome to Journey of Success, where ordinary moments turn into extraordinary stories. Today's story will stay with you long after it ends. It's about a young woman no one noticed, until the moment she saved a billion-dollar empire with just her voice, her courage, and one hidden line in a contract. Let's begin. She was just the cleaner. Her name tag read, Ashley Thompson, 25. Old sneakers, a faded hoodie, a past with no applause, a life spent in silence. That morning, she walked into the glass-walled conference room on the 41st floor of Powell Plaza Tower in downtown Denver. The room was silent, the air cold. At the black marble table sat Jonathan Sterling, CEO of Sterling Synertech, ready to sign a massive deal with Texas oil giant Carrington Dynamics. It was supposed to be the biggest moment in the company's history. Pen in hand, papers in place, until the door creaked open. "Sir, if you sign that, you'll lose everything." Everyone turned. It was Ashley, a cleaner, holding a paper, but her voice didn't tremble. "Section 18.4, page 23, she said. "It says your company takes all the risk. Carrington can leave at any time, no penalty." Whispers filled the room. "Who is she?" snapped Mary Sterling, the CEO's wife. "Why is she here?" But Jonathan held up his hand. His eyes never left Ashley. "Show me." She stepped forward. Highlighted in yellow was one line, missed by every high-priced lawyer. A trap. Carrington would walk away rich. Sterling Synertech would be left to burn. "She's right," the CFO whispered. "This changes everything." "Are you seriously listening to a cleaning lady?" asked a Carrington rep. Ashley didn't flinch. "A cleaning lady with a law degree from the University of Colorado," she replied. "I just couldn't stay silent." The room froze. Then Jonathan nodded. "Thank you, Miss Thompson. You may go." Ashley turned and walked away, but she already knew. Everything had changed. The very next day, she was called back to the 41st floor, but not to clean. The deal was canceled. Jonathan had reviewed the papers himself and her records. Ashley Thompson, the quiet girl with the mop, was actually a graduate in law, someone no one had noticed, until it mattered most. That morning, he offered her the role of general counsel. No interviews, no tests, no doubts. From cleaning floors to sign contracts. From ignored to be indispensable. Ashley Thompson had stepped into her future, not by chance, but by speaking the truth when no one else dared. What a powerful reminder. Never underestimate someone because of their job, their clothes, or their silence. True brilliance doesn't always wear a suit. Sometimes it wears sneakers and carries a mop. If this story moved you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little hope today. Here on Journey of Success, we share real stories that prove one moment, one voice can change everything.